Welcome back to Tech Vibes, and today we're talking about a common issue many players don't realize with the PS5 Rest Mode. Place the PS5 on a flat, open surface to begin this check. Make sure the PS5 is powered on normally and the home screen is displayed. Many PS5 systems freeze or shut down unexpectedly when Rest Mode is used incorrectly. Let's start by checking the PS5 software version. On the PS5 controller, press the PS button once. Move to the settings icon and open it. Scroll down and select System on the PS5 menu. Choose System Software. Select System Software Update and Settings. Select Update System Software to confirm the PS5 is up to date. If there's an update, allow the PS5 to finish and reboot. Now, let's adjust PS5 Rest Mode power settings. Return to the main system page on the PS5. Select Power Saving. Choose features available in Rest Mode. Here is the important part to prevent PS5 issues. Set supply power to USB ports to off, or 3 hours, instead of always. This prevents the PS5 from continuously powering external devices and overheating. Next, toggle Stay Connected to the Internet to off. This stops the PS5 from running downloads while in Rest Mode. Now toggle Enable turning on PS5 from network to off. This prevents accidental remote wake-ups that cause system crashes. Back out and return to the PS5 settings. Scroll down and select Save Data and Games/App Settings. Choose Automatic Updates. Disable Auto Install in Rest Mode. This ensures the PS5 doesn't install updates while only partially powered. Press the PS button to return to the home screen. Now let's inspect the physical setup of the PS5. Make sure the PS5 has at least 4 inches of open space around all sides. Gently lift the PS5 slightly and check the bottom vents for dust. Use a soft brush to lightly clean the PS5 air intake vents. Do not use compressed air inside the PS5, only around the vents. Make sure the PS5 is not sitting inside a cabinet or against a wall. Heat buildup during Rest Mode often causes shutdowns. Now, let's look at how to safely enter Rest Mode on the PS5. Press the PS button once on the controller. Move to the power icon. Select Enter Rest Mode. The PS5 front light should slowly pulse orange. If the PS5 light begins flashing white for too long, cancel Rest Mode by powering back on. This indicates the PS5 hardware did not prepare properly for Rest Mode. If that happens, restart the PS5 completely. Press the PS button, open power, and choose Turn off PS5. Wait until the PS5 light turns fully off. Unplug the PS5 power cable from the back. Wait 60 seconds to fully drain power. Plug the PS5 cable back in. Turn the PS5 back on normally. This full reset helps restabilize Rest Mode function. Now that settings are corrected, Rest Mode should be safer for the PS5. Remember, never move or unplug the PS5 while in Rest Mode. Always check for updates before using Rest Mode. If the PS5 ever crashes while waking from Rest Mode, repeat the ventilation and settings steps. Using these adjustments greatly reduces PS5 shutdowns and freezing. Keep your PS5 well ventilated and avoid heavy downloads during Rest Mode. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. We keep your PS5 running strong. If this helped, tap like and subscribe for more PS5 repair and setup tips. See you in the next PS5 guide.